Welcome to this beginner's guide to meditation. In this video, we will walk you through the basics of meditation and give you some easy tips to help you get started with your practice. Meditation is a simple yet powerful practice that can help you improve your focus, reduce stress, and increase your overall sense of well-being. To begin, find a quiet place where you can sit comfortably and without distractions. Find a comfortable seating position with your back straight but not tense. You can sit on a cushion or a chair, whatever is most comfortable for you. Place your hands on your knees or in your lap, whatever feels more natural to you. Then gently close your eyes or keep them slightly open with a soft gaze downwards. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. And then slowly exhale through your mouth. Continue to breathe deeply and slowly. Focus on your breath, counting each inhale and exhale. Count up to 10. Let's do it together. 1. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Inhale. Exhale. 6. Inhale. Exhale. 7. Inhale. Exhale. 8. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Sit quietly for some time and experience your present moment. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Start with just a few minutes of meditation each day, gradually increasing your time as you feel more comfortable. Set a timer for your meditation session so you don't have to worry about the time. When your timer goes off, take a deep breath and slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Congratulations! You have taken the first step towards a regular meditation practice. Remember, meditation is a journey, and the more you practice, the easier it will become. Thank you for watching this beginner's guide to meditation. We hope you found these tips helpful. This is Piyush Srivastava from Mind Magic. Please subscribe to our channel for more meditation and mindful content. Namaste.